Hi guys, welcome to Creating with Charlie. Today I'm going to be showing you what I built. Let's go. Okay guys, so first I have built a mask that you can wear. So, right here you have a bullet that you can shoot. Right here you have eye protectors, so when you're not wearing it or when something's shooting at you, you can protect yourself. Put it down. And then, just to have fun, you have an antenna. So you see that, have an antenna. And then inside, it's really, really cool. I've been working on it. And right here, this can go up if you want it to be like this. That's your choice. I don't want it. I want it to be down. So, first off, we're going to be seeing if this can hold a bullet. Not a real bullet, but let me get it. This bullet that Lego has made in LegoMindstorms. So, let's see if it can hold it. Okay, now we have to see if it can stand a bullet. So, he's going to be shooting it here. I'm going to close my eye thing so it won't go through and hit my eye because I do not want that. So let's close it and let's see if it can hold it up. My dad's going to be shooting. So it can, but you do feel it. So yeah, it works. It will hold up. So let's go to the next. Okay guys, let's see it. Launch a bullet. There is a bullet in here. I have showed you in the beginning where it is. So let's see how it shoots. So it can shoot. Let's see it one more time. Okay, let's see it again. Oh, I think I hit my camera. I do not know, guys, because that went so fast. So let's see. Let's not see, but let's hope I did not hit my camera. Okay, guys, let's have fun just hitting stuff with this bullet from the helmet. So first off, let's start with the Statue of Liberty. It's a Lego, so it's not the real one. We're not going to New York, but let's see. So that moved her. Next, let's do a YouTube logo. I have shown you guys how to build this in another video, so go check out that video. It's down in the description. So let's see if I can get it to stand up. There we go. Okay, let's see. So I actually hit my camera and then it hit it. It fell over because look how skinny that is. Very skinny. So next, let's see how it would do hitting Mario Odyssey. Not the real one. I 3D printed this. I 3D printed this model of the Odyssey. So let's see how it looks. That technically did nothing. It just made a loud sound. So we had fun shooting stuff today. Guys, bye. Please subscribe. I really like this. I spent 2 days building this. Really, really cool. Bye.